Well, I just washed the Model A. That was the first time I actually washed it off. Before now, it only got a little bit of a minor sponge bath and a little bit of waxing here and there. But anyway, so drove it out here again. Started really nice today. And about as good as it's going to look before I do a little bit of compound waxing on it, maybe. But it's supposed to be almost freezing tomorrow, so I'm not sure if I'll be working on it until maybe this next weekend, until it maybe warms up again. But anyway, that's it. Doesn't look too bad, I guess.